Hello friends, welcome to my channel Creative World. Today I am going to show you Sambar recipe. This is very popular South Indian recipe which you can enjoy hot with Idli, Dosa, Uttapam, rice. This can be eaten with any of them. It is tasty as well as nutritious. So let's prepare this recipe today. To prepare this delicious sambar, here I have taken around 1 cup tur dal or arhar dal which I soaked half an hour ago. So dal is nicely soaked. Now transfer this into a pressure cooker. And also along with dal, I am also putting 1.5 to 2 cups of water. And then I am adding half teaspoon of salt. Actually, no fixed measurement of this butter, just for boiling normally. Now I am going to close the pressure cooker and let it boil until 3 whistles. So, while the dal is getting boiled, let's prepare the vegetables. A number of vegetables are traditionally used in sambar like drumstick, beans, carrots, bottle gourd, tomatoes, onion, etc. Using different vegetables make the sambar flavorful. You can add more veggies as you like. Cook the vegetables till they become soft. Always remember not overcook the veggies for your sambar. They should hold their shape and not become mushy. Once the pressure releases naturally, open the cooker and mash the cooked dal lightly with a potato masher. Add all the cooked veggies in mashed dal. Soak 1 tablespoon tamarind pieces in hot water for 15 to 20 minutes. I am going to add 1 big onion paste. So make a paste of onion. Onion paste is ready. In a pan, I am going to take 2 tablespoons of oil. Once that is heated, I am going to add 1 teaspoon of mustard seed, that is dal. Let it crackle. Now I am going to add jeera, hing, curry leaf. This will give you nice flavor to the sambar. You can add also dried chilies. Fry these ingredients for a while and then I am going to add onion paste. Fry the onion paste until 2 to 3 minutes or until they turn slightly golden brown in color. So now onion have turned slightly golden brown, and next we will add tomatoes. I am adding 2 tomatoes which have grinded like this. This will give nice color and tanginess to the sambar. the tomatoes. Add fill for about 3 to 4 minutes. And after that, I am going to add sambar powder. The taste of sambar depends heavily on the sambar powder, which is a spice mix made by grinding several spices. You can use your favorite brand of sambar powder, or you can take your homemade sambar powder also. Now I am adding all the vegetables which is already mixed in dal. Stir everything together and let the sambar simmer on medium heat for 5 to 6 minutes. I am adding some more water. The consistency of sambar can be adjusted to preference. Some like thin sambar while others prefer it thick. Add more salt according to your taste. Stir it very well. Now I am adding tamarind water which I soaked before. Then strain the liquid using a strainer. You will get 3 to 4 tablespoons of tamarind water. If you want, you can use lemon juice. According to taste, you can use it more or less. Let the sambar simmer on medium flame for 5 to 6 minutes. Now I am adding some chopped coriander leaves. This will give you nice flavor to the sambar. So, sambar, a hot and spicy lentil soup with mixed vegetables. Every state has its own touch with slight variations and different tastes from each other. All the variations are equally tasty and unique in its own way. Now, sambar is ready to serve. We can enjoy this delicious, healthier, nutritious and tasty recipe. So, enjoy this recipe and please keep watching my videos. Please do like, subscribe and comment.